Hey everyone, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing another hair update check-in video. It has been 9 months since I've shaved my head and we're going to talk about the process of what it's been like growing out my hair this past 9 months, what I've been doing with my hair, and I'm going to show you guys a hair tutorial on my favorite way that I have been wearing my hair lately. So that's what we're going to do in this video, so if you want to hear more, then just keep on watching. I feel like it feels like longer than a month since I've done a hair update video. It feels like it's been so long since I've done a hair update video, but we are here. It's been 9 months. That's crazy. We're almost done. We are almost done. But I have my hair up and styled right now, so let me just go ahead and take this all out so you can actually see what my hair looks like. Every time I style my hair like this, everyone thinks I cut my hair, but nope. It's all still here, mullet and all. Let me take out my earrings too, because I feel like it's a little distracting because you can't see the mullet. But here she is. She is here. So rarely will you ever actually see me go out with my hair like this. Like, I just feel like I look like, I don't know, one of the boys from Stranger Things or something. Like, it's not a very feminine hairstyle in my opinion, so I don't enjoy my hair like this. But I am loving the length of my bangs at the moment, so that's why I've been really utilizing this style. So all I do is I take some bobby pins, and I have to take off my glasses for this so everything is smooth here. Oh, I've got makeup smear. So let me do this. I can't really see. You know, I just wasn't in the mood to put my contacts in. But I just take this side of my hair, the one with less hair, because I do a side part. I just do a gentle twist, nothing like serious. I just do a gentle twist and then I start securing that with bobby pins. And I mean, this hairstyle is so easy because I can't even see. I don't have my glasses on. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, so once we have that up, then I will just take a hair tie and gather all the rest of my hair into a ponytail. If your hair is long enough to do a bun, I think a bun would be really cute, but I can't quite do that yet. I mean, I can kind of do like a little squished little bun, but I would need like 50 bobby pins for that. Okay, so now that we have it tied, I don't know if you can see, but like there's this little piece of hair sticking out, so then I'll use my last bobby pin. I'll just use that last bobby pin to secure this down in place. And here is what the hairstyle looks like. It kind of gives the illusion of like a pixie cut where it's like really short all around and then you just have this long part right here. I think it looks really edgy, really cool. So this has been my favorite way to wear my hair. Again, this would look cuter if it was like a little bun. Now, as far as what I've been doing the past month, it's been the same as the past few months actually. I haven't done anything with my hair. I haven't done any hair vitamins. I haven't been doing any like hair treatments or special masks. I've just been letting it do its thing. I've been wearing my hair up a lot, like lots of ponytails, and I don't wash my hair every single day. And that's just because I'm lazy. So it has nothing to do with me trying to get longer hair or anything like that. It's just I'm too lazy. So I wash my hair, I would say maybe like every other day. That's kind of in the routine. I wash my hair every other day. So with that being said, let's go ahead and grab our little tweezers. I got my planner here with the hair growth tracker. So let's see, July we were past 5 inches. We were a little past 5 inches. So let's see where we're at today. I don't think I need to take out my hair tie for this because I usually grab hair from this general area anyways. So let's just go ahead and I pulled way too many. I pulled like 6 pieces just now. That hurt. So we have measured our hair and we are at 5.5 inches of hair growth. So it's really not that bad, I guess. Just looking at it, I was expecting like a bigger growth. Well, no, if you think about it, that was pretty small because we were at over 5 inches. So we grew less than half an inch this past month. That's pretty small, to be honest, because without doing anything, the average hair will grow half an inch per month. And we grew less than half an inch. I wonder if, I don't know. I really don't know what could be the cause of that. Just some months are good, some months are bad. I guess that's what it is. Okay, I think I said this in the last video, that by 12 months I should be at 7 inches of hair growth. That is the goal. And if I am at 7 inches of hair growth, then all in all, it means this whole past year, my hair has just grown at an average rate, even though the first half of the year I was all about hair masks to help my hair grow, hair vitamins, like I was doing it all. But at the end of the day, my hair is still growing at just like an average pace. But who knows, we'll see at the end of this whole 12-month journey, but on average, we should be at around 7 inches by month 12. Those of you who are growing out your hair with me, let me know what has been like your favorite go-to hairstyle lately. Have you guys snipped your mullet? Do you guys still have it? What's been your hair growth journey like? Because I know a lot of you guys are growing out your hair with me, so I'd love to hear your experience and your journey. And that's kind of all I have for this update. Very short, but I wanted to show you guys a tutorial on how I've been styling my hair lately. It's been my favorite, and also Johnny really likes it too, which is always a plus. Oh my god, I choked on the air. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!